I welcome you guys to today's tutorial. Wherever you're watching me from, I really appreciate you guys for always watching my videos, liking my content, subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you all. And if you're just joining me for the first time, please kindly hit the like button and also click on the notification button for more updates. And if you have not subscribed, please kindly do that by hitting the subscribe button. We are still on the mock-up series, and we're on the third series of our mock-up tutorial. And like I have said, I have taught you guys a lot of things about mock-up, the definition of mock-up, method, and every other thing that you need to know in this class. So today we'll be talking about how to do a beautiful mock-up for Jotter, or what is also called Notepad. So presenting a notepad for a particular company, you need a good mock-up to present it. So this is how you can come up with it. After you must have done your design, this is the logo we are using. Though it's a company logo which I want to use in teaching you guys. All right, this is our design which has been set up. So the next thing for us to do is to export our designs. To export it, all right. You go to click on export, click on OK, click on this. Right, this is the front cover. Then the back cover, you export, Ctrl E, then click on use another name, export, yes, right, then you click OK. So the next thing is to go to your Photoshop and copy or open your mockup file. So let's go. All you need to do is to go to your mockup folder. If you've already saved, like me, I have saved enough. So what I need to do is just to go to where I save it. All right. And if you want to download, I've taught you guys. And if you are just joining us, please hit the subscribe button, and also do me a favor by clicking the like button. You can also go to any of my lectures to learn more about how to download background fonts, or how to download a mockup file. So these are the mockup file that I've got. So you click on keep layer. So I actually have a lot of mockup file. All right, so this is what we are using. So the next thing for us to do, after it must have opened, you click on this nut here. All right, double click on it, click OK. Then after it must have finished processing, the next thing is to go to your file, open your own design. All right, this is our design. Okay, then you click on it, click and drag to this very position. So override it, then adjust it accordingly. Adjust it according to the size you're seeing there. Right. Okay, then the next thing is to click on this button, this pass mark button. Click on it, then you click on save, Ctrl S, save. So after that, you go back to file. It must have changed. Can you see this? All right, so the same format you use for the front cover is the same format you're going to use for the back cover. So what next? You go to Alt F8 on your keyboard, then you remove this from Photoshop to PNG, then go to your document, use another file name. Let me use Jotter. Okay, okay. Once it is done, it takes some time. Okay, you just have to be patient. Just taking some time. So while we are waiting for it to finish processing, this is just the major way in which you can come up with beautiful mock-up projects for any company you're working for. And from this, after this tutorial, our next tutorial, which is going to be series 4, I will be talking about t-shirts, face cap. Okay, talking about branded, how you can brand a company using a mock-up template. So I think this is done. Then you go back again, click on where you save, open, write the name. Okay, all right, this is it. You open, then you don't forget, you drag and you place it here, then you adjust. Okay, click on this button. All right, Control S, so saves automatically. So this is how you can come up with great mock-up templates and present it to the company you're working for. So this is going to be the end of our class for today. So watch out for my next tutorial, where I'll be talking about how to come up with t-shirt, mock-up t-shirt templates, mock templates, and every other template that you need to know as a graphic designer. God bless you.